In this video, I'll show you how to easily change your Instagram username. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like so others can find it. So the first thing we're gonna do is to go to the Instagram app. Then we're gonna select our profile by tapping at the bottom left. Once you see your profile, under your picture and your bio, you will see this edit profile icon. You're gonna tap on it. Once you see this screen, what you will do is tap under username. Once you're here, you can delete your old username and you can just add a new one. In most cases, if you regret your decision and changing your username, you might be able to change it back for another 14 days. Remember that your username will be visible to everyone on Instagram, so after you pick your username, just go ahead and tap on done. And if your username is available, it will simply change to what you selected. And as you can see, if I go back to my profile, now I can see my new username. Hope that helps.